Mahle sanibonani ma-Afrika mahle. Welcome to Jabu Mahlangu and Diski Shandis. This episode si focus ku CAF Champions League semi-final match that is coming between Mamelodi Sundowns and Esperance. Big game. Before mara sizongena bafethu sihlafune umbono wethu ukuthi sibona kanjani kule game enkulu kangaka iMamelodi Sundowns. ISundowns, as we know ukuthi the last time they won a CAF Champions League was over 16 years 10 years ago. It was over a decade ago. So they are chasing that second star, and the defending champions Pyramid are knocked out. Al Ahly is knocked out. Abantu abaningi nami personally mangibhekile, with all due respect to other teams lezi ezikhona Esperance, but I feel good this is the opportunity for Mamelodi Sundowns ukuthola the second star bafethu. But angihambi ngiyi-one, please bafethu ningakhohlwa to share, like, subscribe and hit that notification bell to get all the latest updates as a Jabu Mahlangu and Diski Shandis shuffling Diski ringers. Ntwana, big weekend. Big game for Mamelodi Sundowns, big game for South African football in terms of CAF Champions League semi-finals. Mamelodi Sundowns one step. Ne?
Yeah,
One step. What?
one leg in
One leg in
the final.
into the final bafethu. But sizoyihlafuna no sense ucabangani mfana?
Mfana, yeah, it's a big game, but very big game. I think this has to be one of the biggest game abayoyidlala this season. And if you look the previous season, bebaloko bastambula la kuma semi-finals.
Yeah.
Semi-final they're out. Semi-final they're
Urulani
out.
uqoshiswe semi-final.
Semi-final out. So it's been happening, and I think Amachita have matured. They've played for a very long time together. Amachita Amaning with Sundowns. They've been at this stage. They know what it means, and I think they know how to play this game now. Sebana will experience. So, game previously, we saw how they played that game in Tuana. You can even give us the stats there, whereby in the first half, they kept the ball, they tried to manage the game, they kept the ball, they were not naive in attacking. They knew how to rotate the ball without just being open, because when you attack, you open at the back. So this time they were away, but they kept the ball so nice, also keeping a defensive structure sabo. So that's one of experiences Sundowns engiyibonayo, and that comes with coach Cardoso. And I would say mfethu imandate yakhe umqeqeshi makalethwa la Sundowns is this one, is to win CAF. No matter angayenzani in the PSL, he must win this cup. And sisamile lapho mfethu, he must win us as a South Africa this cup.
Mara uyibonile line-up mfethu, bebaphethe Williams, Kekane, Mudau, Morena, Cupido, Adams, Allende, Lunga, Leon and Salis. That was the previous lineup starting 11 as a first leg when Sundowns won 1-0. And you are right, Mdlala. First half, ama-stats ayasho mfethu, Sundowns dominated pole position, but those guys were very disciplined also. Esperance playing at home, and if you check first half, must check they had 6 shots. Esperance Sundowns, they had 2, and then on target they had 2 shots on target first half and 0 for Mamelodi Sundowns. Yabona yakutshela ukuthi i-game i-pressure ebida, and then that competitiveness, tactically i-game it was on another level, tactically.
You need to be disciplined, you need to be patient.
Yeah.
Yabona, if you have those qualities in a team, enjenge Sundowns, then you stand a chance of winning. Because previously, Ntwana, I would tell you, because we are a good side as is Mamelodi Sundowns. We play nice, but we were never discipline instances, and we were never patient enough to say, if I gagavul, we cannot just see.
Yeah.
Nathi. Be patient. Bazovula. See, yes, I mean, let's probe. They will eventually open. So, kule game now, you could see the stats tell you, Guti, they kept the ball because ball position was theirs in the
First half.
in the first half. But then
Second half now. Let's go to second half. Yeah, before we see
Yeah.
second half, it was now ball position 63, Esperance 37 to Mamelodi Sundowns. Second half, hey, we were under pressure mfethu bezibuya laphayana. But my shots on targets 11 to 5, 11 for Esperance, 5 to Sundowns, and then on target 1 shot on target for Esperance. Okay, let me do this. Yeah. For the whole game, 3 shots on target for 17 shots compared to 7 to Sundowns.
Okay.
3 on target for Esperance, 2 on target for Sundowns. Yabona ukuthi tough kanjani, and then the
Yeah.
ball position at some point bekuyi 63 to 37, and then igame ayilibele hamba yaba yi 51 to 49. So Sundowns also came back after losing kancane during the game, ball position whereby obviously laba badlala ekhaya and the first leg vele they had to push Sundowns. Second half Sundowns yile experience esikhuluma ngayo ukuthi they know ukuthi second half laba manje bayeza. So
yeah.
guys, angeke kufane na first half whereby they allowed us bafuna ukusibona nathi ukuthi okay size kanjani. Second half bebeza, but still Sundowns, it was very close. It was a very close game. They never dominated position ngaleyo ndlela ukuthi they outplayed Sundowns in certain patches.
But they were
yes,
coming,
but they were coming.
Yeah.
So what was interesting is to see the goal, the way by scoring a corner mfethu, that goal, Sundowns, Adams putting that ball to Umurena with his experience playing first time, and Leon, the timing in the box, and then one touch finish, great, team goal, and very important away enough for Sundowns to go through the final second leg because badlala ekhaya Loftus.
Obviously, Ntwana, I cannot say it's enough. The game will tell us. But I've seen a team here Caruso when they beat Mamelodi Sundowns. I think they came here in South Africa to play, and they had a lead from the first leg, and they came here. Sundowns was supposed to score. We thought Sundowns would score at home, and they never scored, and that's how the other team progressed. So a 1-0 score can take you through to the next round. So
I'm saying,
Sundowns,
is it
they have
safe?
I can say they have an advantage, but it's not safe, obviously.
Okay.
And now you're playing at home. Try to get another goal at least.
Yeah.
It's not a game. It's not a game of 4 or 5 goals. In fact,
Yeah.
get the goal. Try to protect that goal. But you're playing at home, obviously. But you don't have to go out. You don't have to go out. They must come at you because they need the goal, number one.
Okay.
So when they come at you, chances are they will open at the back.
Yeah.
So
Not chances, better they will open.
they will open. So that's when now you play with us in that we will catch them. When they come at us, let's have those speedy wingers, Abu Morena. Let's have people who are quick up front. Same goal that Sundowns scored. Normally what Sundowns would do, they will rotate the ball, Lisuke Lasiswini, Lie on the side, and then get to there and bring it back. But this time, the smartness of the boy, the young boy,
Adams.
Adams.
Yeah. Yes.
Jamal
Hayi
Figala.
madoda sukani bafethu. Ayisiphethe cream lapha. Hayi South Africa iphethe cream lapha. Hayi mamela. Hayi lo mfana unzima kakhulu. Hayi. Oh yeah.
Mamela ngithola. Quick change of play mfethu.
Experience
Uyalibuyisa
yakumrena phela
siyakhona.
umunye ifike kwisidididi lapha yana leya technique yokudlala lela bola
time.
first touch
In the air.
normally intwana ne amajita angekho mnandi mawuthi uyayidlala le bola umrena ayidlalile leya pass uyidlala phezulu kwepali or uyidlala le idlule but the timing, the weight of the pass,
Everything was perfect.
everything was passed. So kusho ukuthi Sundowns kuloku yothi we keep the ball, we frustrate them. The more we have the ball, the more they'll get frustrated. It's the more they will want to press us, and that's when i-Sundowns will be deadly if manje laba bazophela. I-Sundowns is going to keep the ball. Badlala ekhaya. They must keep the ball more than shoot ball position this time ke ibalulekile for i-Sundowns so that laba the more bangabambi ibhola bazoba frustrated. You understand? Then bafuna ukuphuma then kula i-Sundowns ke izobathola khona and then le base lezi ebazidingayo. So do you start with Urenas in this game or you continue uqala ngoLeon noSalis?
Either or, mina kuyafana mfethu. I think both of them, whether they're coming from the bench or they're starting the game.
Why I'm asking
Impact
this is
yabo-
because manje i-Sundowns very approach mele ibambe ibhola and laba mele beze njengobushilo. Naba abantu mele beze Esperance mele easy. Laba mele babambe ibhola. So because of the speed of Urenas
Urenas.
to get behind Esperance masiba attack kakhulu. Those are the spaces Urenas
Okay, I
will
get
love
you,
to have
I get you.
on
you,
during
I
this
get
game.
you,
So
yeah.
for me, I think I will start Urenas
Urenas.
and Uleon. I can put him obviously second
As
half
a sub.
because he's also he's not too quickest,
Yeah.
but he's smart.
He knows
Amarandu
how to
wakhe,
smell.
he knows how to smell the goal. He knows how to anticipate, and also he's a goal poacher. Also, so for me, I think the approach la maybe is to start Urenas so that we can use that space, those spaces. Ebazoshiya laba maba attack
No,
abafuna
that's a
ibhola.
that's a good observation, Jab. Nami, yeah. What you are saying makes sense. A lot of it, yeah. And Ulen Tuzanini on the left, Buela Ngalumfana Lolo. Who's this boy? No, on the left. Who's this?
Olunga.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Is
Olunga.
Opry coming back?
If Opry is back,
Useve one.
yeah, I'll save
one
one
game.
game. Ne? Yeah, but listen, you on this one, yes, that's a good question. Umudiba, ngaqala ngolunga because of defensively, he's more stronger than Opry defensively. But if uthi wena hayi yazini nami laba nyabalanda. I'm just saying on the day you can also let's say uthi
I'm going to
Nyabalanda.
just say keeper, but who helps us to keep the ball more? It's Opry.
Yeah, I know, but even if Oprangek, you still have Abu Adams, you still have Abu Mkwena, you still have Abu Alende, players who can still keep the ball. But Nyaktolu Ushoganjan, if you want to start from the back,
Yeah.
Jengo Opry, because those are two different. Ulunga Agafan Opry. Ulunga can't give you even those splitting passes between the defenders. Ulunga is a typical defender. Magalbambi Jalala easy and then aphume into an Opry yaknikeza that advantage offensive
yeah.
offensive maspeti ball uyakunikeza that offensive
But I don't think
advantage.
can you check for us if Aubrey is back or not? Because
Yeah.
he
But-
only served one game.
But it's fine for Sundowns Mdlala, even if Opry or Ulunga, but we were trying to see differentiate these two players. Opry strong points sakhe yini umnandi ngebholo.
Yeah.
Opry is like a winger midfielder.
Yes.
Law is a typical defender.
Yeah.
So maybe Maguso ungaqala ngolunga Opry later on so that sibe solid sibabone labo ukuthi beza ngani ba attack kanjani beza kanjani. But for me now it's my highlight of the first leg mdlala sesizoyivala. It's how the communication between the players inside the pitch and
The technical
the
team.
technical team. There was an incident Lapayana where I saw Renas homing up, not even homing up, he was about to come in, and then I saw Umuda no. That time very best we won
Yeah, Shisi came 83rd minute.
83rd minute. Shisi came back bezisa leza ipare, bezisa leza ndota ngako konke. What imakancane asivaleni emuva. Do you think that is wrong?
No, Ntwana, it's not wrong, Ntwana, because as players, we are on the field.
Okay.
We can feel the game.
Yeah.
Yes, the coaches maybe might see better, but I can feel him in the good. Hey, Abona Lana, Ntwana, we need to see.
Sivale.
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 Ntwana.
Ngoba kuyashisa.
Sisayabe phambili. We've got the 1-0.
Yeah.
Sisayabe phambili. So as consolidate, asivalela emuva mfethu. Okunye sizakubona mfethu. So I don't think it was a wrong thing for Mudau to advise. Because another thing is, Abomudau have played this competition for a very long time.
Yeah.
They've got the experience.
Yeah.
They know ukuthi mase kusoba fethu asivale namagate.
So which means it's a good thing to see ukuthi if kunento technical team engayiboni ama players they are given that platform also and freedom to say hey bafethu thina siyibona kanje.
Big
For
ups.
me I think that's big maturity Mdladla, and team spirit from
Even
both
from the coaches. Yeah.
from both the coaches
Yeah.
and the players.
Yes. For respecting the players. Without number much about. No, as changing. Let's do what they're saying.
Now Grant Kekane lastly uzobeseka out to red card
Eish,
the
mfethu.
previous game. So Damane is coming with Cupido Central.
Yeah, but
What's your take? Do you think Damane is ready?
they are both left-footed.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's a poser. A little bit of it danger, but
Imbalance.
Ndamane, yeah, he's over
Imbalance.
imbalance. Yes, of course. But then Ndamane plays for Bafana Bafana. Is going to the World Cup. I think. I think Mfana he needs to be tested at this stage, Vel. It's the right time to test Ndamane before the World Cup. Simbono ukuthi can he take the pressure? Because the pressure would be high kule game le. So for me,
Or you can take Abbas or Roping Abbas because Abbas can play central with his experience.
centre back.
I'm just saying, with
Yeah.
his experience, maybe we say, hey, let's save the young man. Abbas wena dalu kudla wena dalu netho imvula ushisona ilang ngena la ilwa la and then ngena no Cupido la.
Ngibusela ngifaka yena uNdamane. It's okay. Mina vele ngifuna ukumbona kahle lo mfana under pressure ukuthi kambani.
Ay bafethu your predictions mina ngivana masandawana bafethu.
Sonke mfana uya patriotic.
Angazi hey
Ngihamba
phela abantu
namasongo
bayajika,
ngathi ngwavele
abantu bayajika celezi. Hayi umuntu okujikela njengotshwala esiswini.
Hayi twana 1-0 siyababulala la bantu.
Mina I think nami I think 2-0 for Sundowns scoreline.
Yeah.
And this is the big opportunity for Sundowns to tola the second star, and they've got the quality, they've got the players, and now you don't need to motivate players. It's a big game, it's a big stage. Everyone is motivated. Pitori, nase South Africa is South Africa. Pitori nase South Africa is South Africa. AmaZulu zonke bonke asambeni eloftas Saturday bafethu so supportani Sundowns. We wish Sundowns well, and we want to see Sundowns in the final, and we want to see Sundowns winning the CAF Champions League final and getting that second star. Bafethu, that was Jabu Mahlangu and Tiski Shandis shuffling Tiski Ringers. Don't forget to share, subscribe, like, and hit that notification bell to get all the latest updates as a Jabu Mahlangu and Tiski Shandis. Masandawana, we are fully behind you. Kabuyelu.
Kabuyelu.
Shapa, Masandawana.
Kabuyelu.
Shapa! Danko.